lot of cocktail recipes call for honey or some kind of honey flavour in them. Now, the actual raw honey itself is very difficult to work with because it's so thick and because it's difficult to dissolve. So what we often do is make ourselves a honey syrup. So we're just going to cut honey. I'm going to pour in 100 mils of honey into this container, like so. And I'm just going to cut that with, I like mine to be 2 parts honey to 1 part water. So I'm going to pour in 50 mils of boiling water. Now obviously you can boil it in a kettle if you happen to have one, or you can boil it in a pan. There are other ways to get your hot water, but the important part is that the ratio is 2 parts honey to 1 part water. You're then just going to need to help those two things mix by stirring it for a little while. What that will do is that will just thin that honey down into something that we can then pour like a liquid, pour more like a regular syrup, like a sugar syrup, into our drinks. And it's not going to be thick and unmanageable. So you just need to give that a good stir until you're happy that it's dissolved. I'm going to do this a little bit quicker than normal, because what I'm going to show you is you just need to decant this honey syrup now into a bottle that you can store it in the fridge with. Just going to pour that straight into here. There we go. Excellent. And then all you're going to do, of course, is just put a lid on that and pop it in the fridge between uses, and that should be good for a couple of weeks at least. So there you are, that's how you make honey syrup.